Discover this beautifully renovated gem in Northwest Houston for just under $200,000. Enjoy peaceful moments or friendly chats on this charming front porch. Step into a light-filled living room that feels open and inviting. Blending comfort and style, the charming fireplace anchors the space and creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere for gathering with friends and family. The open layout seamlessly connects the modern kitchen to the dining room. Delightful dining space for gathering the family at mealtime. There's also an enchanting window seat, the perfect cozy spot to sit and watch the rain or read a good book. The kitchen is lovely with all-white cabinets and new quartz countertops. Freshly painted walls and all-new flooring create a clean, comfortable setting perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The primary bedroom is filled with natural light and spacious enough for king-sized furniture. New soft carpet, fresh paint, and modern lighting create a tranquil retreat. The convenient bathroom layout provides everything you need for a comfortable and easy routine. A sleek modern vanity adds a touch of luxury to this beautifully updated space. Spacious second bedroom will accommodate a king-sized bed and offers multiple layout options. The neutral tones and ample wall space create a blank canvas for your interior design inspirations. Bedroom 3 is cheery and bright with room to play. This spacious room could also make a great office, with a walk-in closet for extra storage. This beautifully refreshed bathroom offers a clean, calming space to start your day. Featuring new flooring, fresh paint, and a brand new bathtub, the space feels bright, modern, and inviting. The spacious backyard offers plenty of room for outdoor fun and gardening. Contact Colleen Skillen at Orchard Brokerage today to schedule your private tour of this home.